How to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can stop people from seeing you have viewed their profile on TikTok. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can turn off the profile view on TikTok. So let's just get started. For that, you can head over to TikTok application, and once you are there, head over to profile page in the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it will lead you towards the profile page. So all you need to do is at the top you can find two feeds, which means that is something profile view option on your TikTok. So just go ahead and tap this option right here, to this one right here, and all you need to do is you'll be finding turn off option instead of turn on here. Just go ahead and tap on this turn off option, and when you do that, you'll be finding this turn on, which means your profile view history has been turned off. So that is it. That is how you stop people from knowing that you have viewed their profile on their TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.